Millions of dollars are on the way to organizations in Northwest Ohio to fight the opioid epidemic. The funding comes from settlements with 10 pharmaceutical companies, and officials say this is just the beginning. Andre Norrell spoke to organization leaders to find out how the money will be used.
Alicia Nelson is the executive director of OneOhio. It's a new organization that's distributing a portion of the money from the state's opioid settlement.
Pharmaceutical industry was a part of producing Oxycontin and other drugs, and from those conversations and their subsequent lawsuits, they're derived a settlement.
The money is now being distributed to combat Ohio's addiction problem and supporting recovery efforts. More than $4 million has been awarded to several organizations in Northwest Ohio. Lucas County Children's Services is getting more than $460,000, which will help fund programs like Ohio Start.
Our Ohio Start program works hand in hand with families that are in treatment and recovery services.
The Zepf Center is getting $400,000 to hire staff dedicated to peer support.
One of the biggest things about addiction is it's isolating, but one of the biggest things about recovery is its connection. So peer supports provide that connection.
Harbor is receiving the largest grant in Northwest Ohio, more than $500,000 to expand abuse prevention efforts for the LGBTQ+ community.
We know that people who are LGBTQ are overrepresented in the mental health system and also in the substance abuse treatment system.
Nelson says this is just the beginning. As more settlement payments come in, additional funds will be distributed to organizations.
Although overdoses have decreased in recent years, it's not time to, as you say, take your foot off the gas. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done.
This is just the first grant cycle. There will be opportunities for organizations to apply to grants in the future. OneOhio will not be getting all of the settlement money. 45% of it will be going to state and local governments. Reporting in downtown Toledo, Andre Norrell, WTOL 11.